And welcome. Today we've got this DCN660 Type 2 nailer. This one's not firing. Will not fire at all. I have a theory of what's wrong with it. I'm going to open it and clean the switch to see if that helps. Here we have it in the workbench now. I've noticed another problem. The magazine's broke there. I'll see if I can do anything with that later on. But first of all, we'll just open it and clean the switch. We'll get in, get out, do the sample job first. Right, this one's had a switch cleaned before. It might work again. Well, here's hoping anyway, you know. Yeah. See, the tape is not the original tape around it, so we'll address that. But when these come new, they always have this tape around the switch to hold the wires in place. So if you open one that's like got white tape on it, it might be original. But we'll just get this switch open and get it cleaned. I'll just get down closer here to see. There's a bit of stuff we don't want in there. I'm going to use electrical contact cleaner today because I have no brake cleaner left. Oops. There, and lift this out tight. There is a bit of old stuff on there. So that's done its magic now. And we could leave that to dry a little while, or we could speed up the process with the airline. Right, so we'll blow this dry with a compressor. That's looking shiny and new in there. So we'll see if we can put this together quickly and retape it, then put together and test. Right, so we'll put the cover on now and hopefully we get something that fires. If this works, I'll come back and I'll go back and I'll fix that then. That's what I think I'll do. So here we go, we'll bang a battery in to see if that has in fact done the job. No, it has not. No, did not work. So because that's not the problem, we're going to have to go deeper. I've got it open again here, and I'm going to take it out of the casing and try and have a look at the springs. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take that off. And we'll pull this out. So we'll take this off first and have a look. Oh, you see? Broken spring right there. That is the issue. Yep, without a shadow of a doubt. So that's lucky enough I have some springs for that. We'll pull this mechanism out here now. So driver. And spring number 1 seems to be intact. Pull that out. Spring number 2 is sort of less intact. Let's see. It's all messed up, look at that. That certainly wasn't doing the job. There's a new spring. If you can replace these springs in pairs, do. But you know, that looks alright. We'll put it back in. You know, we'll do that. Firstly and foremostly, we'll give these things a clean with the good old contact cleaner. We're going to wipe and air dry with the compressor. We've gone this far, we'll give the drum a wee spray there. Give her a little dry then. Same there. Now we'll try and put it together and see if it does go this time. It's time to just put this all back together and see if we have a proper job this time. Oh, I better put this in first. Really forgot this little part. The part here that we took off earlier. Doesn't look out, you know. The spring goes on there. So there we are. So that's it back together. There we are. Every time. So it was the spring was the problem. We can fix the magazine, but that's maybe another problem for another day. I'm calling that fixed for now. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.